bang traffic situation, especially in the matter of speed sa motor vehicles using public streets? Hello, I am aghast. Magtanaw sa sitwasyon. Kalibang sa dalan, na hindi lahat ng tao may yaya. Karamihan ng mga bata na crossing the street, pobre na. Then just by the fingers of your hands, yung bata dito na gumagamit, crossing the streets na somebody guiding. Alam mo, nakikita mo minsan, it is really a situation where it is a run for their lives. Mga bata na sa pedestrian lane, dagan-dagan, it is as if they are trying to save their lives for the day. Is that acceptable, or it should not be acceptable to us? Yun ang pinaka, yung qualms ko. Ang pinaka medyo masakit sa akin tignan. No, you have to protect lives. Never mind about properties. They don't really count maybe on how we live in this planet. Ako kasi nakikita ito mga puso-uso. Just arrested one the other night. You know, I've been trying to tell them na huwag kayo masyadong mag-abuso dito kung uso-uso. Kasi maraming namamatay. So itong mga driver dito, akala nila because there's an insurance, they think that it is a license for them to drive like hell. Na itong mga uso-uso na ito, the engine does not correspond with the housing, yung body weight. I'm sure that you're using engines, the airport planter, which is not suited for the housing that is being built to house them. Karamihan dyan. I want that. Sinabi ko na sa kanila, hindi pa ako mayor. I was the vice mayor at that time. I did 18 people to be. It's time to stop. Arrest all puso-uso na hindi mag-correspond yun. I want it immediately. So you divide your personnel, iba sa araw, iba sa gabi. 2/3 sa araw, 1/3 sa gabi. Ikaw kumero. I want you there. I want you on the traffic, the whole day. I want to see you there. I want to see you there on the streets, making arrests, impounding them. Lahat na uso-uso, impounding. Why? Because there is a serious violation of the law. Second is a public nuisance. Pati yung motor yung magkaroro, highway patrol. Lagyan mo sa critical corners. On open country roads with no lines, not closely bordered by habitations. On cross streets or boulevards, clear of traffic with no blind corners with so designated 40 kilometers per hour. Which is good. Pa sa akin, 30 sa truck.